Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a certificate in Canva. So whether you're looking to make a certificate for yourself or you're a teacher wanting to make a certificate for your students, this is how you do it. It's really easy with Canva, even without design skills. So from the Canva homepage, I'm going to click over onto templates. I'm going to type in certificate. You can further filter the templates if you know exactly what you want to create. Are you creating a certificate of appreciation, a gift certificate, an award certificate? So choose one, and I'm going to click on award certificate. So if you're a teacher, you might want to create something like this, and as you can see, there's like hundreds of like pro design templates to choose from. And remember that you can go in and edit the certificate you choose so it's exactly like you want it. You can change all the text, the fonts, the colors. So I'm just going to choose one of these certificates to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to click on which one. So I quite like this one, Certificate of Achievement. And I'm going to click on Customize this template. So this is where the fun begins. You can easily edit all parts of the certificate. I can click on the writing and I can change the font really easy, and I can add different text here. So if it's study achievement, something like that, and then you could make the text a little bit smaller or bigger to fit in. I can change up these images if I don't like them, but they're quite good. You might want to delete the name there and add new name in. Just keep editing, and remember you can like even add effects to the text. Say if you wanted certificate to stand out a bit more, I can click over the word certificate, click on effects, and you can make the text stand out a little bit more by adding shadows and echoes, even make it neon, things like that. There's so much you can do. So just keep going, edit everything till you get it exactly how you want it, and give your certificate a name. So certificate students, and then you're going to download it. So all you need to do is click on share and then download, and Canva will recommend the best way to download it, and it's suggesting PNG as it's best for complex images and illustrations. Then you just have to click on download, and you can create multiple of these if you've got a lot of students. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.